Hi everyone, I welcome you all in the continuation of the editable spline in 3ds Max tutorial. So we will go to the perspective view. Okay, so let's say I will take a rectangle shape, something like this. Okay, just off the grid. Okay, and change the color to white for better view. Okay, so right now it's only the shape. Okay, no extra options you can see on the right side. As I just click on the editable spline, see what's happened. All the other options, the spline options, are visible now. Okay, so, okay, as we discussed that this panel is, segmented in or divided into three parts like a vertex, segments, and the spline. Okay, okay. So when I click on the vertex, see the options are highlighted because these options is gonna affected. Okay, on this shape. When I click on segments, see the available options are highlighted. When I click on a spline, see the available options are highlighted. Okay, so let's say the vertex. So if I click on the vertex, see what's happened. Okay, see, when I just click and drag, you see the line is curving from this one to this one. Okay, this is because of some options is enabled. You see this one, this one. Okay, you can do that. Let's say this one. And the interesting part is there is the handle. You can do something like this, okay, okay. And also this is the handle. You can okay, okay, this is the curve handle, so that's why you can do the curve thing by doing this. Okay, some sort of like uh, some sort of this shape. Okay, okay. What is happening here? Let's say you want a clean, a straight line. So what you're gonna do? So you just select on this vertex and right click. So you have some other extra options. So let's say this is the Bezier corner. You see the Bezier corner, Bezier corner, smooth, reset target tangents. Okay, so if you click on corner, see this one is become the corner, but this one is all still Bezier. Okay, okay. So if you click on, let's say, corner, see now this is the straight line. Okay, the handle is gone. Okay, this is the straight line. So this is very handy tools. Let's say you want to again you want this one curve. Okay, so just like you just click on Bezier corner. Okay, so the handle is appear again. Okay, let's say this one, or you select them all. Okay, so 1 2 3 is Bezier corner. So let's say the Bezier. Okay, this is another option, and you want the corner. Okay, so like this. Okay, you see you can drag them up like this. Okay, you can drag them down like this. Okay, it's according to your needs. Okay, but the shape is always kind of flat, and the z value should be remain on the same platform, actually flat. Okay, yeah. And then let's say we have what we have in a circle view. Okay, let's say click on the editable spline. Okay, now all of them are okay, editable, all the things. Let's say all of them are Bezier. Let's say the Bezier corner, no effect corner, it's become the it's become the rectangle, so no circle anymore. Let's say you just take a circle. Okay, you just click on editable spline. Go there, and you see the handles, but handles are kind of like this, like this. Okay, you just convert to the Bezier, you see. Excuse me. Some sort of like this shape. Okay, and if you want to make smooth, by default it's come the shapes come with 6 steps, but you can increase it 20, something like this. Something like this shape you will get. Okay. Okay, so in this part you just clear on what is the corner, what is the Bezier corner, and what is Bezier and what is the single corner. Remember, the corner is for the straight line. I mean the straight, the segments will be separated in straight, and the Bezier is for the smoothness, and Bezier and Bezier corner you will have the handle to make it smooth curve or something, smooth curvy things you can make with this. So yeah, and with this you can have some sort of weld option, connect option, fillet option. So okay, some sort of options is here: attach multiple, smooth line, Bezier. Okay, you can see here also. Also in the geometry part you can have Bezier smooth and Bezier corner. Okay, and you have some sort of options in the below, like a weld, connect, insert, make fast. Okay, so the interesting part is I'm going to show you. Let's say you take a rectangle here. Okay, this is a rectangle, or you can take another rectangle. I'll start from the scratch. Let's say you just go to the editable spline, and you click on the vertex. You just select them, and on the fillet option click on that, and you see the cursor is changing. You can do a shape like this, you see. Very interesting, very interesting. Okay, also let's say the chamfer thing, you can do a shape like this. Okay, okay, some sort of like this. Also let's see what it is happening. Some sort of, okay, maybe no cycle, maybe no, make fast. Okay, these two is actually the interesting thing, and okay, hide, unhide, delete. You can see what it will happen. These are the common things, but these two options, fillet and chamfer, is, and also the outline. Let's say outline is something like when you go to the click on the segments. Let's say all the things is off right now. Let's say the outline option. Let's say you just click on this. So now is the outline. Yeah, you see when I click, the cursor is changing. You see this is the outline, so make it kind of a border. You can go inside and you can go outside. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is all. I will come back again with a part 3. So yeah, I think this is all for now. So we learn about the some deeper points, some deeper options about the spline modifier, some sort of this. We learn about fillet, we learn about chamfer, we learn about outline, and also we will learn about the attach, multiple attach, and all the things in later videos. So okay. uh, Thank you all, and bye. I will come again in the next video. Thank you. Please support my channel. Thank you.